Welcome back to Worldwenext. Hey there, future media mogul. So, you've just embarked on the exhilarating adventure of launching your own TV channel, and now you're ready to take it to the digital world, social media. Buckle up, because we're about to unveil the secrets to skyrocketing your TV channel's presence on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. 1. The power of social media. Social media isn't just a tool. It's a gateway to your channel's success. It's where you'll connect with your audience, share your story, and build a loyal community of viewers. Think of it as the backstage pass to your TV channel. 2. Picture-perfect profiles. First impressions matter. Craft a captivating profile that encapsulates your channel's essence. Your profile picture should be your logo, and your bio, a sneak peek into what your channel offers. Make it concise, witty, and inviting. You want visitors to hit that follow button instantly. 3. Content is king. Your content should be your crown jewel. Create engaging teasers, behind-the-scenes clips, and sneak peeks of your shows. Keep it diverse and captivating to cater to a wide audience. Remember, social media users love stories, so don't hesitate to share your journey. 4. Trend, hashtag, repeat. Stay in the loop with trending topics and hashtags in the TV industry. Use these to your advantage. They can give your channel exposure to a broader audience. Mix in some relevant, unique hashtags to make your content discoverable. 5. Connect and collaborate. Reach out to influencers and fellow content creators. Collaborations can expand your reach exponentially. Plus, partnering with like-minded creators can lead to fresh ideas and creative synergy. 6. Analytics for the win. Don't just post and forget. Dive into the analytics. Track what's working and what's not. Pay attention to engagement rates, demographics, and peak posting times. Adapt your strategy based on these insights for continuous growth. 7. Ads, promotions, and giveaways. Investing in paid social media advertising can be a game changer. Promote your channel's trailers or key content. Run contests and giveaways to encourage engagement and attract new followers. 8. Consistency is key. Consistency breeds familiarity. Stick to a posting schedule to keep your audience engaged. Whether it's daily updates, weekly highlights, or monthly recaps, be dependable. 9. Community building. Engage with your audience genuinely. Respond to comments, host live Q&A sessions, and run polls. Make your viewers feel valued. They're the lifeblood of your channel. 10. Cross-promotion. Don't forget to promote your social media on your TV channel and vice versa. It's a two-way street that can boost both your online and on-air presence. Conclusion: you're a social media star now. By now, you're equipped with the tools and knowledge to make your TV channel a sensation on social media. Remember, it's a journey, and Rome wasn't built in a day. So, roll up your sleeves, be creative, and let your channel's unique story shine. Ready to light up social media? Drop a comment below if you're excited to put these tips into action. Thanks for watching.